Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into the world of triangles with the one and only Pythagoras. This ancient Greek mathematician was a total rock star. Seriously, he even had his own fan club. Pythagoras was obsessed with triangles, especially right-angled triangles. You know, the ones with one perfect 90-degree angle. He discovered something super cool about them, something that changed math forever. Ready for this? Pythagoras discovered that the sides of a right-angled triangle have a special relationship. It's all about squares and adding things up. Intrigued? Let's unlock this mystery. Alright, let's break it down step by step. In a right-angled triangle, the longest side is called the hypotenuse. Think of it as the superstar, the head honcho of the triangle. It's always opposite the right angle. Now the two shorter sides are called legs. Let's call them A and B. The hypotenuse, we'll call it C. Pythagoras figured out that if you square the length of each leg, multiply it by itself, and add those squares together, A2 plus B2, you get the square of the hypotenuse, C2. See, it's like magic, but it's actually math. That's the Pythagorean theorem, A2 plus B2 equals sine C2. Easy peasy, right? Let's visualize this. Imagine you have a square with sides of 3 units. The area of that square is 3 times 3 equals 9 square units, right? Now picture another square with sides of 4 units. Its area is 4 times 4 equals 16 square units. Now if you stick these squares onto the legs of a right-angled triangle, guess what? The square on the hypotenuse will have an area equal to the sum of the smaller squares. 9 plus 16 equals 25 square units. That means the hypotenuse itself is 5 units long, because 5 times 5 equals 25. Cool, huh? So, why should you care about Pythagoras and his theorem? Because it's everywhere. Architects use it to build sturdy buildings. Carpenters use it to make perfect right angles. Even your GPS uses it to figure out the shortest route. Next time you're navigating, thank Pythagoras for helping you avoid traffic. That's the beauty of math. It's not just numbers and formulas, it's the secret code of the universe. Keep exploring, keep wondering, and remember, science rules.